Hi guys, what's going on? Good to see you again. My name is Oleg, I'm licensed broker with Bellevue Commons, and today we are in February. February's outside, we got sunshine finally, great weather, people walking with the dogs outside, they driving bikes, they planting some flowers outside in their backyards and front yards, and this is an amazing time to enjoy the weather. But today guys, I brought you provide you February market update because data available for months of January 2020, and I will compare data January 2020 to January 2019, and we'll tell you guys what's happening on the market within 1 year time frame, what changes we see for residential market only. We'll touch some areas in Seattle, and also we'll touch mostly cities on Seattle's east side, cities like Bellevue, Kirkland, Redmond, Sammamish, Issaquah, Bothell, Monroe, Newcastle, and many other ones as well, and we'll highlight what's happening in those cities. Before we go to details, I want to show you guys some information about inventory, and on the screen for you guys I'll show you currently numbers of inventory in all areas, and I'm talking about all areas. As you guys can see, number of inventory very low, very limited, mostly everywhere less than 1 month, except couple locations like Mercer Island 1.6 months and over 1 month in West Bellevue, but everywhere number of inventory shrink, and that move us from balanced market we had in 2018 to strong sellers market back like we had in 2017. Right now it will be in 2020. The very low numbers of inventory, guys, you can see on the screen. Odds of selling property is really high, 79%. 79% you can sell your property if you list it up to $1 million anywhere on Eastside, and we have very huge demand on those homes because a lot of people not just wake up from the holidays and they're ready to buy, and some people did not buy properties in October and September and August last year, and they're still in the market, still looking to purchase those property. And plus we have a lot of people coming to Washington State because all those top employers like Amazon, Microsoft, Google, Facebook hiring and bring a lot of employment force, and all those people combined together creates huge demand in the real estate market and rental market as well. Go to specific locations like Seattle, for example. Show you guys on the screen. Number of inventory switch to less than 1 month, like 0.9 months. What that means is like within this time frame, no listings came on the market and everything will be sold. Will be no homes for sale at all. And on east side, you guys see on the screen right now, number of inventory dropped in January from 2 months to 1 month, and this is a big drop in 1 year. And let's dive into specific locations, what's happening in the market in specific cities. You guys can see a lot of surprising information right there. Put on the screen for you to see this data available, and when I was looking to right column, I was shocked. I was shocked when I see that pretty much in all neighborhoods prices went up, and went up a lot. In some locations went up as much as 25%. And that's running up in this competition in the city of Monroe and Sammamish, with 78 homes sold, $530,000 average sale price, and this is affordability. People moving there because more affordable, newer homes, nicer homes, good schools, and people move into those locations. And following Monroe, market went up in the city of Renton for 17%, and this is a big number as well. And in Renton we had 48 homes sold with average sale price $611. And following them, prices went up in Kirkland, Rose Hill locations 15.6% with 29 homes sold, average sale price almost $1.5 million. And some areas market went down, and market went down the most in some areas of Seattle. Fortunately for Seattle, the highest neighborhood where the market scored down is Beacon Hill and Georgetown. Market went down for 14.5% with 26 homes sold in the month of January with average sale price $525,000. And following them, market went down in central Seattle with 66 homes sold, average sale price $848,000, and went down for 13.6%. And following them, market went down. In South Seattle, with 26 homes sold, went down for 6%. People looks like in Seattle moving out from there, so maybe due to the Amazon moving worldwide headquarters from Seattle to Bellevue just within like 5 miles, and a lot of stories to that why this happening, but I'm not gonna go there. I'm gonna cover just real estate market. And if you're a buyer and looking to buy the property, so you have to prepare to compete. You have to prepare to compete with another buyers. And very important for you guys to be prepared for that, exercise the tools available for you, and you have to work with seasoned agents who know what he's doing, have a lot of experience like myself, and can help you to win competition for you to buy these homes. And I'll show you guys on the screen for you a couple tools available, like financial tools, inspections, appraisal, different other tools you can use. And you see those temperatures. If temperatures rises higher, and more chances to compete with another buyer. You can use those tools if you compete in this hottest market like we have right now in Seattle areas. If you're a seller, you have to prepare property the best you can. You have to prepare like to parade. You have to prepare like woman go to wedding. A house has to be perfect, has to be clean, has to be staged, it doesn't smell bad, has to be like really ready to buy, and this is gonna be attract a lot of people, and you're gonna get top dollar for your home. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for my guys' future episode, and if you like this episode and find valuable, smash like button. That's gonna be help for my YouTube algorithm and help other viewers to see those episodes like you guys. With that, guys, make a fantastic week, smile a lot, and enjoy your February. Bye.